Either way. We've got your Easy Cares, 60, 50, 40, 30, Delicates 40 and 30, Wools 40, 30 and gold, gentle rinsing, starching, pump out, spin and short spin. You've got like Cottons, 95, Economy, that's still in the test mode then. Right, turn to Cottons. Right, so we're going to turn to... what's that? Cotton Intensive program. Looks like Cotton 60 Eco, and it looks like the moisture has eaten it. This is like Daily 44, 90, 20, Cotton 30, Cotton 40, Cotton Eco 40, Cotton 60, Cotton Eco 60, and Cotton Eco Cotton 90. We have two options. We're going to select mix load.
Coconut Cycle, what is this shirt size?
Right, so program A. I'll show you the programs anyway. So features you get. Anyway, let's just take a look. We on different programs with set temperatures. I would select denim, but for this we're gonna select cotton programs. So we've got cottons, colours, easy care, hand wash.
Anyway,
Other than whatever it was then. Right, go backwards there. It's previous, and then back on again, and it will still register. Ready? So, cotton C, turn. From, say, spin to backwards, sometimes it'll set reset. We've got cottons 9, nothing. Right.